got it. I can finally start making videos again. So every time I opened iMovie, it would just like do the little bouncy thing, and then it would just close. It wouldn't let me open it for the longest time. So I figured I would delete it and then reinstall it, because maybe there's a bug or something. I tried to reinstall it after I deleted it, and it said that I needed to upgrade my entire MacBook to, what do you call it? Catalina. Yeah, and that took a couple days. I had to delete so many things off my computer so that I can have enough space to finally upgrade my MacBook so I can edit videos and just start posting on YouTube again. So that took me a couple days. And now, here I am. 21 days later. Because I will admit, I got tired of doing it for a while because I would just delete so many things and still not have enough space. So I'm just like, fine, like I'll come back to it later. And yesterday, I was like, I need to get this done. I have more space than ever, so I won't have problems with editing my videos, I hope. What's up, girl? Hey.